Have you ever wondered if we could live forever? It sounds like something from a science fiction movie, doesn't it? But scientists all over the world are asking this very question. And they are looking for answers not in magic, but in science. To understand how we might live longer, we first have to understand why we age. It is a fundamental process of life, but perhaps it is one we can change. The journey to a longer, healthier life begins with understanding the tiny little things that happen inside our bodies every single second of every single day. Let's explore this together. Aging isn't just about getting wrinkles or gray hair, it's a complex process that happens deep inside our cells. Think of your body as a magnificent, busy city. Your cells are the workers, and your DNA is the master blueprint they follow to build and repair everything. Over time, as your cells make copies of themselves, tiny mistakes can happen. It's like making a photocopy of a photocopy over and over again. Eventually, the image gets a little fuzzy and unclear. These small errors in our DNA blueprint accumulate, causing our cellular machinery to slow down and become less efficient. So, if our DNA is the blueprint, can we edit it to fix the mistakes? This is where genetics and biotechnology get really exciting. Scientists are now exploring powerful tools that can go right into our cells and make precise changes to our genetic code. One of the most famous tools is called CRISPR. Think of CRISPR as molecular scissors and a super-accurate GPS. It can find a specific problematic gene, snip it out, and replace it with a correct, healthy version. This technology holds incredible promise for fighting aging at its source. For example, scientists are researching gene editing to correct mutations that lead to premature aging syndromes. By fixing single-letter mistakes in the DNA code, we could potentially prevent these diseases before they start. Not just treating symptoms, but rewriting the instructions that cause them. Proactive, preventative medicine from the inside out. Beyond fixing mistakes, what if we could enhance natural repair systems? Researchers are studying genes from animals with long lifespans. Naked mole rat whales. These creatures have superior DNA repair and cancer resistance. Maybe one day we could activate similar protective genes in our bodies, giving cells superpowered repair. While genetic editing is a long-term goal, what about something we could use sooner? Medical researchers are actively developing drugs that target the aging process itself. These aren't just for treating one specific disease, but for tackling the underlying mechanisms of aging that make us vulnerable to many diseases at once. This new class of medicine is called gerotherapeutics. The goal is to help us not just live longer, but to live healthier for longer. Extending what we call our health span, not just our lifespan. It's all about quality of life. One of the most promising types of anti-aging drugs are called senolytics. Remember those zombie cells we talked about? Senolytics are drugs designed to be like zombie hunters. They can selectively seek out and destroy these harmful senescent cells, clearing them from the body. In animal studies, clearing out these cells has had remarkable effects. Mice treated with senolytics have shown improved heart function, reduced inflammation, and lived longer, healthier lives. Human clinical trials are now underway to see if we can achieve similar results. Another exciting area of research involves a drug called metformin. With all this incredible science, could we achieve biological immortality? This doesn't mean we'd be immune to accidents, but our bodies would no longer decline from old age. Some scientists think it's possible. By combining genetic engineering, regenerative medicine, advanced pharmaceuticals, we might one day continuously repair and rejuvenate our bodies, resetting our biological clock again and again. We could stop aging in its tracks. But the path to immortality is full of huge challenges. The human body is unbelievably complex. Aging isn't caused by one thing, but by a web of interconnected processes. Fix one problem, and you might create another. We must be careful and understand consequences before making permanent biological changes. Science must be slow, careful, deliberate, safe, and effective for everyone. It's a marathon, not a sprint. If we could live hundreds or thousands of years, what would that mean for the planet? Very likely, however, science will keep extending our health span, letting us live longer, more active, healthier lives.